I am very proud to say that moments ago I introduced legislation to repeal Section 159 of the Criminal Code, and it's Bill C-32. Currently, Section 159 of the Criminal Code prohibits engaging in anal intercourse except by a husband or wife or two persons who are 18 years or older, provided that the act is consensual and takes place in private, which means not in a public place and not in the presence of others. This section of the Criminal Code is discriminatory, and the LGBTQ community has rightfully called for its repeal. Appellate courts in this country have agreed. They have found that this provision violates equality rights under the Charter of Rights and Freedoms. The proposed amendment would ensure that, in law, all forms of consensual sexual activity are treated the same. Diversity and inclusion have long been among the values Canadians embrace. Canadians expect their government and their laws to reflect these values. Canada was among the first countries in the world to recognize same-sex marriage. Our Canadian Human Rights Act has long recognized the right to be protected from discrimination based on sexual orientation. I am proud today to continue this commitment to respect, protect, and promote the rights of the LGBTQ community. Section 159 unfairly criminalizes consensual activity in certain circumstances. Our society has evolved over the past few decades, and our criminal justice system needs to evolve as well. This legislation will help ensure that the system is keeping pace with societal change and continuing to meet expectations of Canadians. Our laws must reflect our rich diversity and inclusiveness, which are our greatest strengths. They must reflect the values that we as Canadians all embrace: honesty, inclusion, empathy, compassion, and generosity.